Hi, in today's video I'm gonna give you a short review of waterproof phone pouch for your phone. Hello again. So in today's video I'm gonna be talking about waterproof pouch for your phone. I was asked to do the review on it, and that's gonna be my no BS review. So in the package I received two of those waterproof pouches. So what makes it different than other pouch is this pouch contains a bunch of squares filled with the air, and this is supposed to help you to touch your screen when you're underwater. The back of the pouch is totally flat. I've tried this couple of times on the ocean. What I really like about it is the closing system. It's really good. It's super easy to use. When you open the pouch, this thing is not going away anywhere, so all you have to do is just close this part, push it in a little bit and close it. Now it's not closed yet, so all you have to, it has to click. Now it's totally closed. So I hope you can see this is the little triangle point that through the pouch goes into this groove right here. So this pushes together on both sides, lock it, and then when it clicks, it's totally locked. The pouch comes with lanyard. You can easily detach it and put it back together. So you get two of those. Really good thing about it, even if your phone is heavy, those air-filled rectangles will give you your phone extra lift, so it will not sink. Lanyard is pretty good too. The back of the case is clear, so you can start taking pictures. Now, what do I think about it? Has great flotation, good locking system. I'm not really crazy about the bubbles. Now, here's my frustrating part. When I was using that in the water, I don't know, maybe I'm doing something wrong. Whenever I was trying to open my phone and, for example, switch to different mode, as you can see right now, I'm trying to slide this, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. See, I want to slide it to video, and it doesn't want to move. Sometimes it moves. Now it moved to video. If I want to click it, you can see I'm trying to see. Now it clicked. So sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. If you kind of hit it, then it works, I think, better. If you just try to slide it and you don't push hard enough, like right now. So last time when I was in the water and I was trying to quickly move from photo to video, as you can see right now, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And so I basically ended up using those buttons on the side to take pictures, because you can physically go and take a pictures. If I want to go to video again, so right now it's okay. So let me go to my sink and show you underwater. Now the phone is underwater, so I'm just simulating how I was in the ocean. And for example, let me just try to go and slide it to video. So I hold it underwater. I'm trying to slide it to video, and it's just not sliding. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but this is very frustrating. So I'm in photo mode, trying to slide to video, and I don't know, sometimes when I push it really hard, then I can do it, and I have it on one mode. I'm trying to hit another mode. Even if I do this, it doesn't want to do it. I'm trying to move it, and this is, now it worked. I'm trying to slide it to a photo, and it's, I guess the trick to it is to really push hard on the screen to hit the appropriate mode. And then if you do it gently, it kind of doesn't want to work all the time. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And if I want to scroll, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So I would say it's 50-50 works for me. So this was my most frustrating part. Here's an example of when I was using the pouch in the ocean, and you can hear everything through the pouch. So if you want to record something above the water, you can still hear what other people are talking about. Under the water you can hear some bubbles, and the picture quality is pretty good. I have not changed the anything with this image. So right now you can hear my friend talking, and this is my voice right now. Of the breeze coming. So there is pretty good detection of the sound through the pouch, so you don't need to remove the phone from the pouch, and it doesn't really change or distort the lens above the water or underwater. So I just had a problem with taking pictures and pushing on the buttons because they didn't want to react the way I wanted. The pouch is waterproof. I went maybe like 2 meters down underwater and it was fine. So in terms of the pouch being waterproof, it's great. If you want to take pictures, I'm not sure if that's the greatest choice. I have different cases that allow me to a little bit easier to choose different modes and operate on the screen. So that's my review. If you have any questions, send me an email. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.